Hey guys, consider yourself very lucky that I'm catching hold of this guy for you. His name is Dipendu Bhattacharjee. He's the first assistant cinematographer. He's done craziest of the films like Gangubai Kathiawadi. He's done Hira Mandi. He's done Chandu Champion. He's done Bhool Chook Maaf, and currently he's working on a huge, big ass Prabhas film which we can't talk about really. Shoots for over 200 plus days for a film, so it's very difficult to find this guy. We rarely see him. So Deepu, so Dipendu.
Hi.
So Dipendu, why did you join the film industry, and why do you regret it?
Why do I regret it? The place where I come from, it's a small town in West Bengal called Durgapur. Film was not an option for us. So I was trying to find a profession that would help me learn new things every single day, where I would get to do new stuff every single day and I don't have to sit in an office. So what sought to me was journalism. So I was trying to do journalism. I worked for CNN, India Today, but the journalism that we study is absolutely different from the journalism we practice. What got me into documentary filmmaking as a more truer form of journalism and also gives you the hang of the camera. अभी देखो डॉक्यूमेंट्री अभी बहुत बेहतर हो गया है बट पहले एकदम पैसा नहीं हुआ करता था. अब एकदम पैसा नहीं होता था डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकिंग. तो घर तो चला रहा है तो फिर मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म मेकिंग एंड सिनेमाटोग्राफी दैट्स हाउ.
So, what's the best bet for a young cinematographer to break into this industry and assist and work with big names and work on big films? What is the best bet that you can find today?
Beस्ट बेट एज इन हाउ टू गेट थ्रू दैट.
Yeah, how to crack it,
हाउ टू क्रैक इट.
how to break in.
First, watch films. Watch a lot of films. Figure out your 10 best cinematographers in Indian circuit. If you're approaching in the Indian circuit, 10 best cinematographers. Can be from any state, can be from any diaspora, can be anyone. Just write down your 10 favorite DPs.
Yep.
And उसके बाद तुम्हारे पास दोस्त है, तुम्हारे पास गूगल है, तुम्हारे पास AI है. Figure out their email IDs or phone numbers. Call them up or mail them, whatever suits them, go for it. Don't disturb them too much, but वैसा हार भी मत मानो. Yeah, keep on bugging them. एक point में तो खुलेगा दरवाजा खुलेगा.
Two things that you've learned along the way that not many people know, but would be very beneficial to someone starting out and trying to be you,
Please don't try to be me. To
or
start
trying to
with.
be in your position basically.
Again, my position is something that over the time I figured out. So I would say figure out your own position. You don't have to have the same mentality like I did. You can come with a different mentality. You can go for a different path altogether. सबका path same नहीं है. हर एक इंसान का path अलग होता है. Like if हम लोग एक बैच से अगर 10 सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स निकले थे, सबका पाथ अलग है. हम लोग दोस्त होकर भी किसी का पाथ सेम नहीं है. एंड सॉरी, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वाज
कि अगर there are few things that you've learned along the way that not many people know about, but they should know from you.
one thing about cinematography is that it's technology, it's artistry, it's physical hard work. Every single thing put together, maxed out, is what cinematography is in a big scale. Yeah. So over the time, don't stop reading. Keep on learning. Keep on reading stuff. Keep on reading like magazines like American Cinematographer to be more technically sound. Read film theory books to be more creatively sound. You really need to have certain clarity in life, like what do you want to do. For example, like cinematography only has so many verticals. Like you can be a daily soap cinematographer and still have a very great and beautiful life. You can be a sports cinematographer, like कुछ स्टार स्पोर्ट्स के या फिर इंटरनेशनल मैचेस जो लोग शूट करते हैं उन लोगों को कुछ 5-7 लाख के आसपास का सैलरी होता है.
5 लाख रुपए महीना
महीने का.
महीना एंड
If
डेली सोप में.
if you do international sports stuff.
ओके एंड डेली सोप में कितना पैसा है?
तो एग्जैक्टली पिन पॉइंट करके तो नहीं बता सकता, बट या तो गुड मनी.
पर डे फिर भी एवरेज
पर डे soap, daily soap would give you around 7 to 10 at an average, I would say. But yeah, again, these are the fields which I have not explored much, so don't take my words for it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm more into film side, film and ads.
Why did you choose film over daily soap and sports, considering films has lesser money compared to these?
अरे
Two?
मजा बहुत आता है, बहुत मजा आता है.
So you're the first AC to Sudeep Chatterjee, right?
Yeah.
So Sudeep Chatterjee is a huge DOP, by the way. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता तो डूब के मर जाओ. What are the perks of assisting such a huge DOP at such a large scale?
Perk, like the whole thing of working for him is a perk in itself, because the kind of technology, the kind of technicalities you are into, the kind of management you get to learn, like keeping this in mind that I am talking in favor of when you want to become a independent DP or a independent filmmaker for that matter. Like, this is what you take away from that setup, that you know, the man management that you get to learn, the technologies that you get to fiddle with, वो तुमको रोज नहीं मिलता है लाइफ में, वो तुमको रोज नहीं मिलेगा लाइफ में. Like if we both passed out at the same year, and had you been trying to venture independently by now, and me being an assistant like I am, I have obviously handling more equipments, more technologies, more things that are shaping up the whole film industry as a whole, you know, which matter at a bigger scale maybe. Yeah, so handling those, you play at a game that's very world level also. These are the changes that are happening, these are the changes that's going to happen in the industry, and you are the front runner to test it, to work with it, to fiddle with it. When you see someone like Sanjay Bhansali directing around you, you understand what that man's passion, or what that man's, or when I'm working with Sudeep Chatterjee, he is right now in his mid-50s, and he is as young as I am, maybe physically. He pushes his limits to an extent which I am also trying to learn. How is he doing that at that age?
Interesting.
Yeah, वो पर्क है भाई, वो तो पर्क है.
घर वालों को कन्विंस कैसे करें आजकल के बच्चे फिल्म मेकिंग में जाने के लिए?
घर वालों को कैसे कन्विंस करे?
आपने कैसे किया था?
To each his own, bro. To each his own. Figure out तुम्हारा people pleasing. I just told you. मम्मी पापा को क्या अच्छा लगता है, फिगर आउट. देखो, घर वाले लाइक जाकिर खान इन वन ऑफ हिज स्टैंड अप सेड कि घर वालों को इसका इशू नहीं है कि तुम कुछ भी कर लो, वो मान जाएंगे, बस पैसा ठीक ठाक कमा लो, घर पे एक बार पैसा आना चालू हो जाए. आई डोंट थिंक दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विथ एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर, जब तक तुम ड्रग्स नहीं पेडल करते.
डू यू थिंक पीपल प्लीजिंग के बिना इंडस्ट्री में थ्राइव कर सकता है, नेटवर्किंग हो सकती है क्या?
People pleasing has various grades to it, and the line between people pleasing and oiling जिसे कहते हैं, और बटरिंग जिसे कहते हैं, उसके बीच में एक बहुत थिन लाइन है. देख, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर एट अ सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, वी आर पीपल प्लीजर्स. हम लोग फिल्म बना ही इसलिए रहे कि कोई खुश हो, राइट? तो वो तो अपना इनहेरेंट है पीपल प्लीजिंग वाला साइड. ऑयलिंग ना दिखने लगे, बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग इन अ बिगर सिनेरियो, और एनीवन सीनियर टू यू नो दैट तेरे को अगर समझ में आ रहा है कि आई एम ऑयलिंग हिम टू गेट दिस आउट, उसको भी समझ में आ रहा है कि यू आर ऑयलिंग हिम टू गेट थिंग्स आउट ऑफ हिम. एंड मोस्टली पीपल डजंट, बिकॉज मोस्टली डजंट लाइक इट, बिकॉज मोस्टली बिग पीपल आर सराउंडेड बाई येस मैन. उन लोगों को नहीं चाहिए और तेरे जैसा, मतलब, और येस मैन नहीं चाहिए होगा. Somebody who can contradict them with a better idea, with whom you can have a debate maybe, which makes your ideas better, which makes you a better filmmaker, better human being. That makes more sense, I feel. That has worked for me more. But yeah, people pleasing to pura aisa, I can't throw that thing off because we are people pleasers.
Lovely. Dipendu Bhattacharjee, it's a pleasure talking to you.
Nice. It was nice meeting you.
Lovely.
See you back home.
See you back home.
See you back.